In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in Mautic. We'll walk through where to find your signature settings, how to edit them cleanly, and how to save your changes so they show up in your emails. This is especially useful because Mautic can automatically pull your user signature into campaigns and broadcasts, keeping your messages consistent and professional without extra work each time. Start by opening your browser and going to your Mautic login page. If you're not already signed in, click Login and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with access to profile settings. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile picture or initials. Click that to open the user menu, then choose Account. This is where your personal details and preferences live, including your email signature. On the Account page, scroll to the Signature section. You'll see an editor where you can write or paste your signature. Keep your content concise. Your name, title, company, and primary contact details usually work best. If you want to include links, like your website or a scheduling link, add them using the editor so they're clickable. If your editor supports formatting, use simple styling, bold for your name, standard font sizes, and readable colors. Try to keep images small and host it online if you include a logo, and avoid large attachments that could affect deliverability. As a quick demonstration of editing, I'll type in highlight in the editor so you can see how text appears as you make changes. You can apply formatting as needed to match your brand, but a clean, minimal signature generally looks most professional and renders more consistently across email clients. When you're happy with the result, click Save. Wait for the success message so you know your changes were applied. From here on, any Mautic email that references the user signature will pull in exactly what you've entered. If your email template includes a signature token or placeholder, it will automatically insert this content for each sender. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Avoid copying heavily formatted content directly from word processors. If you do, use the editor's clear formatting option before restyling. Keep phone numbers and addresses accurate and up to date. And remember, if multiple team members send emails from Mautic, each person should set their own signature in their account settings. That's it. You've updated your email signature in Mautic, and your future messages will reflect the polished, consistent details you just set.